Maybe you've already seen my detailed KBO Breeze Step Thru unbox and build video. This $1,500 commuter e-bike is ready for a first ride review. With its step-through style frame supporting anyone from 5'2" to 6'3" and a payload capacity of up to 300 pounds, this bike can suit a wide variety of people. It's time to put it to the test and see how it performs.
I'm going to start off by being on the lowest level for my shifter and the lowest level for the pedal assist. Now, as you can see, this says that I'm going about 7 miles per hour. I think that since I need a little bit more air in my tires, maybe this reading isn't completely accurate, but you can definitely ride this bike just like any other bike. But let's pump it up to the first pedal assist level. The first level is a good amount of power, really smooth transition into giving me power, which is something I really like, because when I'm riding on my e-bikes and I bump up this pedal assist level, a lot of times the torque delivery is really aggressive, and so it's a little jumpy. This is a pretty smooth integration of power delivery when you start putting the pedals into motion. Honestly, this is great power right here. Let me move up my shift. I would be comfortable just riding on pedal assist 2 a lot of the time, but let's take it up one more time up to pedal assist 3. Really quick. So as you can see, wow, I'm already hitting in pedal assist 4, 19 miles per hour up when I'm pedaling. And so let me take it up one more notch and let me bump up my shifter here so that I have some more resistance. All right, I'm cruising, I'm pedaling. I'm 22 miles per hour.
The Breeze Step Thru has 5 pedal assist modes and a twist throttle. When using the throttle only, the top speed will hit 22 miles per hour. When using just the pedal assist, you can travel up to 25 miles per hour.
This Breeze Step Thru can get 30 miles on a full battery without pedaling. And then if you are pedaling with the pedal assist, you can get up to 55 miles. So it has pretty good range too.
This bike has a 768 watt-hour lithium-ion battery and comes with a 48-volt 3-amp charger. It will fully charge in about 5 hours. I like how the battery is accessible via the top of the frame and how easy it is to pop out and bring it inside to charge or store.
Even if I'm not in a higher gear, I barely have to move my pedals in order to get the response to really initiate. Let's bump it up to pedal assist 5. Brakes feel pretty good. Very easy to get up to speed in this mode.
This KBO has a 500-watt sustained motor paired with a 7-speed Shimano Altus gear set. The shifting is very smooth and easy with this large button and lever mounted ergonomically.
I mean, this is pretty fast. Let's go up this hill. That's a breeze. I mean, I didn't even try to make a pun there. It's just, this thing has great power. This hub motor is a little bit noisier than my other e-bikes though.
I'm sure you've noticed this front fork has been handling the mild bumps fairly well. It has 80 millimeters of travel and a lockout mode.
All right, we're in pedal assist 5. Let's start the throttle test here. See, it does take a little time to get up to speed. Going uphill. Still going about 16 miles per hour up this hill, not bad. Dropping a little. All right, we're hitting 20. Now coming down this hill, I'm sure we're gonna, hit a little higher. This thing can haul. This really is a quick bike. This bike would be plenty enough for anyone that's taking this as a commuter. I'm getting a little rubbing from my fender, unfortunately, on the tire. That's what you can hear. It's very comfortable. I love the seat. I mean, I don't think I can get over this seat. It's so comfortable. And I like the fact that this has a wider tire than, say, my Gen 3 Stride, because there's more stability there. You can see I've already ridden around for about 4 miles or so, and I haven't done anything as far as my battery range goes. So. And I've been using the throttle quite a bit. This is just an absolutely lovely commuter bike. I just love how smooth the power delivery is. Ergonomics-wise, I will say I really like this handlebar because it has a wider end, so it has great placement for my palm. It's very comfortable.
The KBO Breeze Step Thru came with some crucial accessories, including full coverage aluminum fenders, a rear cargo rack that can support up to 50 pounds of payload, and a water bottle cage. It also comes equipped with an integrated headlamp and tail lamp for evening riding. I like that all these features make the bike more versatile without having to spend more money. When you squeeze the brakes, then you'll see the tail lights will light up. Lastly, the bike is made out of aluminum and weighs 62 pounds, making it light enough to where I can lift it onto my bike rack without any help.
Well, take a look at this bike. I think it is a really great design. I love a step through because it's much easier to get on and off. Most of the things I like about this bike are ergonomics based. I mean, this is one of the most comfortable seats I've ever been on for a long term for an e-bike. And I really like these handles because the wider end really allows me to have great comfortability when I have my palms headed towards those brake lines. One thing I would say that I think could be a slight upgrade that KBO could make is this computer. I think it is a simple and fine computer, but if I'm paying a little extra money than some of the other competitors, I'd like to see a couple added features. I will say that the power delivery is really nice on this though. A lot of times when I'm using a throttle or even just in pedal assist mode and I start moving those pedals, the torque is really pushy. This is a really smooth delivery on the power, so I really enjoy that. Otherwise, I think overall this bike is a really great bike for the price. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and even sharing. Until next time, drive, fly, ride. Go electric.